What it is, what it do?
On my mama, man, this shit out here trim like a motherfucker, man. That motherfucker trim.
Hey, boy, what you on, boy? What you doing on that phone, boy? Huh?
Listen. We just outside.
We just outside.
That's all I gotta say.
We just outside right now, yeah? You know I gotta throw my son Marlon on the vlog, nigga. What's the vibes, Gingo? Chillin'? Out here with no fear. Where's son on Justin with his slow 235?
Yo. This car soon get built.
Mela! Big up yourself, you know. Sponsor on it. Man, them there out the door.
Came through.
Uh-huh.
See how we
Drewski. Uh-huh. Oh my fucking God!
Man up! Just the car. Man up! This infinity right here, though, I like that shit. This inf right here, I like that shit. The green shit? Hell yeah.
Yo, y'all don't got no Android on?
Muddy son the muddy.
Name a group in their 20s doing it better than us. I'll wait. Name a group in their 20s that do what they want. I'll wait. Jimmy on the video. Jimmy. Twandan bad machine right there, so.
Lonzo.
My machine park up, Lonzo just walking block.
Hey.
Name a group in their 20s that's better than us.
I'm waiting.
Drop it down in the comments, you heard? Hold on, you got a bike star right here.
You already know the vibe.
That's a celebrity, you don't even know. That's a celebrity, that's leaky.
Marlon! Yeah, son. We going viral with this one.
Fucking bike gang like that, you heard? Niggas wanna see how I get. Hey, yo, what you want? 450, 150, 85.
Any bike gang. Any bike gang. Yo, man. Yeah. What's about to fuck the strip up? What? Marlon in the cut. Throw the ball, man. Outside, right? Yeah, outside. Where's that out, Justin? Out and bad. Out the yard. Ready in the spot. What up? What up? Outside. Drew in the cut. Know the vibe. My God, CJ. At Mo. We outside, kid.
Behind the films.
You know the vibes, kid. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Damn, think it is. That's not who I think it is. That's not who I think it is. Nah, that's not who I think it is. That's not who I think it is.
Yo, you are now watching Jimmy TV.
You be outside, kid.
I do it down there.
Yo, you know we going up today,
Yo,
gang.
bro, you already know the vibe.
We going up today, gang. Yo,
We going viral.
my scene cleared. How you mean? Oh my. It hit different when the ground looked like this. It's an amusement park out here. We got the whole hood out. My nigga Emmo in the cut.
Make sure y'all go tune in.
Yo, tune in. Yeah, I mean subscribe. Turn that notification
46
on.
gang, you know what's up.
Nah. Why we outside like this though, man? True to the vlog, man. Why we outside like this? It's crazy out here, y'all. It's crazy. Squan,
You already know what time it is, man. Yo, watch out for next fucking year, bro. Williamson gang, nigga. We outside, nigga.
Outside, nigga. We
Watch.
taking over the streets.
Shh.
One series gang, nigga.
You know the vibe.
Nigga. One series
Best one
outside.
series out here. Niggas can't top that. Best one series in the trust. You know how we do, gig? They don't know about the Civic, keep it up with the abs. Active, gang, fuck it. And the Uber hanging out the window, what you know? They don't know about that. Active.
Y'all need to watch it. Go to the right, go to the right, go to the right, go to the right. All the way to the right. All to the right, to the right, to the right. Yo, just don't do it, bro. Just don't do it, bro. To the right, to the right. Yo, tell this nigga don't do it, bro.
He like it's
You gotta come down too, bro. Like, when I lose that lip.
I bet the reverse.
Right?
Part three. Part three. I lied. Big chop. Where's that? Oh, tambad. Oh, you mean? Yo, the thing active, you fuck. On the vlog, you know, so that I touch YouTube. Hey. Nah, what? Yo, Alex. Where the 335 at?
Oh shit. It's coming out soon. It's coming out soon.
Nah, don't ask
Where the 335 at, Gio? What the fuck?
I'm lying. Look. Everybody can get it, bro. Everybody outside. Everybody can get it.
Not our next side. Not our next side.
almost lost your legs. I ain't gonna lie, you almost lost your legs.
He's about to
That nigga
walk
almost
this shit.
lost his legs. What they know about nigga Sean. What up, baby? Chillin'?
Ain't no fucking parking,
You know the, I know, I already know. You know we got Key and B machine. Yeah, boy. Niggas don't know, but now they know. Ah. This nigga calling his boss. It's up. Call me about to be done. Boy eating that jerk chicken.
Yo, the nigga try to beat us. Double park cars. We good.
Justin, get back here, man.
Yeah, bro. You
Once again, huh? Once a fucking again, huh? What you up to now, huh?
I don't know what I'm up to, bro. I don't know.
Fast guy.
Fast guy,
You the
Justin.
real fast guy?
Nah.
Or is it this guy? Or is it really this guy?
It's this guy.
Huh?
V10 coming soon. It's him.
335 out of commission, boy.
He's just walking up the block.
Why you telling niggas?
M54. Okay.
50 more.
Shut your mouth.
What the fuck, bitch?
What up? Chillin'. Get over here, Ed.
Gotta have the rain, nigga. Gotta have the rain.
And his what?
All I'm driving is Tracos and X5s and Beamers.
Gotta get one.
Hey.
Gotta get a Beams.
I got one.
Another one.
What you said?
God did.
Beam at a God did.
God did. We trolls, bro.
Yo.
We trolls.
But we still outside though.
Oh.
Trolls. Yo, Kid Lock. Fuck that, nigga. We outside, man. Look who just pulled up on the scene.
Oh, I'm here from long time.
Over the car. Ah, you know we outside, whole gang out here. You know how we do.
Yeah, I know that shit lighter.
Easy now.
Bumbucker Espalon.
I'm a dog.
The man, them are mad out here.
Youngest in charge, not on next side. One side to the landslide, you hear that?
Huh?
Let me spin it.
It's all-wheel drive.
That means all-wheel drive when it spins.
No, all-wheel drive don't spin, my brother. All-wheel drive, go around in circles.
You know what you Bugatti do, don't it?
They're wild.
We outside.
He's walking it. Them niggas are bugging. Where said that was scratch on sword?
Yo, Rich is right.
Pop out that door. Motherfucker. Oh. The DJs of them all.
Good, bro.
Call me by the
The
fuck.
DJ.
Call me by the fuck.
Oh, that my son Chris.
Go on.
Yes, sir, now outside.
Yes, sir.
Wash it up there. Drew not hiding. He's still outside. Yeah. The N54 with the trigger.
Nigga, that was how many years ago?
But it's still printed in the ground. Yeah, you can't never let that go. Chillin' though? 10 pence, boys. Nah, what's going on? Yang yang. You didn't bring out the 4-wheeler today.
Nah.
Not on these type of topics. Nah. What's going on? Is this how we gonna end it off? After a good day, is this how we gonna end it? No 4-wheeler today, right? No dirt bikes out here today. Oh my God. Oh my God. Please, officer, please. Please, officer. Officer, please. He's a good guy. Back up. Okay. You back up. Oh God, not the back up. I'ma back up. Thank you. In America. Thank you. Oh my God. Uh-oh, not the gloves. Not the gloves. Is he about to body somebody? Is he about to body somebody?
What's the gloves for?
Does he not want to leave any print?
What's the gloves for?
Is he about to?
You know, NASA use purple. That's the black.
Oh boy.
Mechanic glove too.
Not to look around to make sure my partners are right. Uh-oh, not the sexy mama.
That nigga think he in a military.
Oh my God. No. Okay. I like the walk. I ain't gonna lie. I love the walk. Uh-huh. Hold on now. The brother done arrived. The brother done arrived. Give the brother a chance. Get a brother a chance, please. Huh? I don't know. I don't know nothing. All right now, officer. Appreciate the good duty. All right. Hey now, I don't want no problems. You either with him or you against him. But I think this might have to be the thumbnail right here. This is a nice thumbnail. Can't go wrong. We got not one. We got not but two. Is they abusing the brother in there? Oh man. Hey brother, we got everything on vid. You're good, all right? We got everything on vid. You're good.
They're wilding right now.
They wilding right now, but
really
look,
wilding right now.
they can't stop the vibes. You know how we do.
Bro, they up the block, bro. If they really wanted to stop it, they would have do that.
Tell you what, if you want to be technical, they came down on the wrong side. So if you want to be technical, they're wrong. Look at this. Is this the side that you're supposed to be coming down on?
That's true.
Yep. You good though. We got the cameras. Anything?
Bro,
you hit.
if y'all could like speak to the officers, bro, because they're really gonna fall under pressure if everybody's like, yo, let this man go. Like he was just vibing out with the whole event. Like y'all was up there. If they was up there, they could have been shut it down.
Yeah. I ain't gonna go over there alone because they'll eat me alive. I ain't gonna lie. You see, I'm blacker than you, my brother, so they'll eat me alive.
Not in a car,
you got
bro.
more of a chance than me. If it was me, they would have put me in shackles
They don't
already.
like me, bro. They don't like me either. Trust me. We the same color at the end of the day, bro.
Yup.
We the same color at the end of the day. To them, in their eyes, you see Shorty, she would have been cut me a break if she was like
by her dolly, right? Yeah.
Exactly.
Jimmy TV. Hold on now. All right, officer. Appreciate you. Damn. Let's see.
$100 for showing up. Be safe, okay?
Appreciate you, officer. You could have been a dick. Come on through now. Come on through now. Come on through now. Ah, gang outside. You know the vibe. Yeah. All right now, officer. My boy. My boy outside. Don't forget gang. Don't forget gang. Can't forget gang. You crazy? Gang had to get the outside footage. Yeah, he's smiling. He's smiling now. He mad happy. He like, I'll take that. Y'all not taking my car?
Good job, bro.
Good officer right there, man. Shout out to you, man.
Good job. Good job. Can't do nothing, man.
Yeah, you feel me? It could have been worse.
Could have been worse.
I got the, you know, the brown soup chicken with the rice and fish. Mommy cook it up for me,
Steak and fries?
Steak and fries.
Steak and fries? Last night. If it's
Last
on you,
night, nigga. Raising Cane's?
You guys now tried to get your ass to go. Nigga said,
Let me call. Let me
tried
call.
to get this nigga to go yesterday. Nigga said,
Let me call up. Yo, Didi, Raising Cane's. Yo, pass the phone to Didi.
Raising Cane's.
Raising Cane's. Raising Cane's. Raising Cane's.
My camera die any minute now. But if the last thing they see, they know we outside.
That's a fact.
Man.
We outside, bro.
They can't
For real.
stop it.
You see?
Shit was too active,
Yes, sir.
man.
Oh, my son's spinning the. What's that?
Oh.
G82?
Oh.
What's the G80?
Oh, live and direct.
You going crazy.
Oh.
Am I focused?
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Going crazy right now.
Yeah. What y'all got to say for the vlog, man?
This shit is lit. It's litty.
Outside vibes, right?
You know that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We've done.
The only one. Amen.
Only one. Yo, you give me a wicked burnout earlier, you know.
Yeah, and give a wicked spill, speed. Amen.
He's in the
I'm
man.
the fuck up still, but it's alright.
It's alright, man. It's alright. Supreme Deviant. Right?
Done.
We've done. Father RG, man. It don't fucking stop with these niggas, man.
Yeah, bro.
No.
Look. My car is over there. He was asking for it. Look, my
Oh yeah, let's take.
my car is right over there.
Let's
He
take
was
a
asking for it, right?
M4.
That's what she was asking for. My car is right over there.
Wow.
I just say I do.
Where the girl them then now, GL?
Listen, I'm gonna call some
the
girl.
girl them sugar, you know.
You know, I love a brownie in them, you know. I love some girl, you know. And I fuck no man though. I love girl.
Never.
Only fuck pom pom. That's
Straight.
Alex wife for the last name. Can't say your last name because you don't know where you find out.
That's just how
Not even know for your real last name, but that's too freaky.
freaky boy.
That's too freaky.
That's freaky boy.
That blood
But it's drive
clot.
straight, me not tan. Straight.
Hold on. They don't know, man. They don't. Word?
Yo, you about to go to.
Oh yeah, we got the video rolling. Don't even worry. T-Benz the General. Outside for the vlog. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, legit. We're not trip about that, man. One can't walk up on that.
Guys, this got to be shut down, right? Look, we've been, if this doesn't clear out, and we don't want to, look, we haven't done it yet. We're gonna have to come back here. We're gonna have to write summonses for the barbecue and the open containers. We're trying to avoid that, but we got to clear this out. This can't keep going on, all right?
This is over with.
All right. So, but this got to clear out. That's all.
All right, we're gonna out the coal. We're gonna out the coal.
All right. So
Takes like 20 minutes.
Does that make sense? Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Takes like 20 minutes.